Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Fortnite is making a comeback on iOS devices after a contentious 2020 dispute with Apple. Epic Games found a workaround by allowing Fortnite to be streamed through external devices, bypassing the App Store. Now, iOS users can enjoy Fortnite via remote streaming. But how exactly can you play Fortnite on iOS? In this video, I'll show you two methods on how to easily stream and play Fortnite on your iOS devices. Let's go. I'll walk you through the first method, which involves using Xbox Cloud Gaming. Open your iPhone's browser and either type in xbox.com/play or click on the link provided in the description to access the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Next, navigate to the Share button. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. On the next page, tap Add. And a shortcut for cloud gaming should appear on your home screen. Launch the Cloud Gaming app and make sure you have a Microsoft account, which you can create for free if you don't have one. After successfully creating an account, proceed to sign in. Type Fortnite into the search bar and tap on the results. Click the play button to start playing. For the best experience, rotate your device to landscape mode and connect your Epic Games account. Another way to experience Fortnite on your iOS device is through Amazon's advanced cloud gaming service, Luna. Keep in mind that this method requires an Amazon subscription. For those who are already subscribed, go ahead and open your Safari browser. Use this link to be redirected to Amazon Luna. You can also get it in the description below. Tap the Share button. Choose Add to Home Screen and click the Add button to create a shortcut of Amazon Luna. Then open the app and log into your account. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, you can easily create one for free. Your homepage will show loads of games. Find Fortnite and hit the Play Now button. Turn your screen to landscape mode, and now you're all set to enjoy Fortnite on your iOS device using Amazon Luna. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.